How smart investors are becoming the bank. Crowdlending in Asia. Stop letting banks use your money while they get rich, and you get crumbs. While you're earning 3%, if you're lucky, inflation is silently draining your wealth at 6% every single day. Meanwhile, the rich? They're not working harder. They're not gambling on risky stocks or crypto. They're doing something smarter, something you've likely never even heard of. They've become the bank, earning up to 15% returns automatically, while their money makes money, interest, for them. And now, so can you. Imagine watching interest roll in, month after month, while you sit back. No finance degree, no Wall Street broker, no million-dollar portfolio needed. These aren't stocks. It's not risky day trading. And it's definitely not crypto. It's crowdlending, the silent wealth-building weapon the financial elite rarely talks about. Right now, teachers, retirees, freelancers, even stay-at-home parents are quietly stepping into this world and creating unstoppable passive income streams. And the best part? You don't need to be rich to start. Later in this video, I'll expose the #1 deadly mistake that wipes out beginner portfolios overnight. Avoiding this could save you thousands, or even your entire investment. So if you're tired of watching your savings rot while banks win, if you're ready to flip the script and start earning like the institutions, stay right here, because what you're about to learn could change your financial life forever. Today, you'll discover how everyday people are using crowdlending to build passive income, protect their wealth, and retire early, even if they've never invested before. So how does it work, and can it really be trusted? Segment 1. Crowdlending works. Crowdlending, or peer-to-peer lending, is a modern way to cut out the banks. Instead of putting your money into a savings account and getting 3% while the bank lends it out at 12%, you do the lending. You earn the profits. Using platforms like Lenden Club, India, Mintos, Europe, funding societies, Singapore, Malaysia, you can invest directly into small loans for individuals or businesses and earn monthly interest, just like a bank would. These platforms handle the legwork, vetting borrowers, collecting payments, and managing risks. Robert Kiyosaki says, "The rich invest in systems. The poor lend to banks. The wealthy become the bank." Later on, I'll show you how one woman from Manila turned $250 into a stream of income every month. But first, why are Asian investors moving away from traditional banks? What's wrong with the old way of saving? Segment 2. The hidden problem with playing it safe. Let's talk about fear. Most people stick to what feels safe. Savings accounts, fixed deposits, because the unknown feels risky. But playing it too safe can cost you more than you realize. Take Ravi, an engineer in Bangalore. He saved 10,000 rupees per month in an FD for 5 years. When adjusted for inflation, his real return was negative. His safe choice silently cost him years of progress. Here's the reality. Indian bank interest equals 3 to 4%. Inflation equals 6 to 7%. Net result? You're losing money slowly while feeling like you're doing the right thing. Crowdlending in Asia is projected to hit $1.3 billion by 2027, growing 12% yearly, because people are waking up. In just a moment, I'll break down exactly why returns are so high, and whether it's too good to be true. So what's the upside? And where's the catch? Segment 3. Why crowdlending works. Here's why people love it. Checkmark 8 to 15% returns. That's 3x to 5x higher than savings accounts. Monthly passive income. Reinvest or withdraw as you like. Low start barrier. Most platforms let you begin with as little as 500 rupees, $6. Control. You choose borrowers by location, credit rating, or type. Here's a real story. Amira from Cebu invested $250 across 25 small loans. A year later, she was making $20 per month, enough to cover her internet bill. It's not flashy, but it's real, and it scales. But don't get too excited yet, because one misstep in this next part can destroy your portfolio. Can we avoid risks and dodge the disasters? Segment 4. The real risks you need to know. Let's not sugarcoat this. Crowdlending has risks. Borrower default. Not everyone repays. Platform risk. If the platform fails, you could lose access to your funds. No insurance. Unlike banks, you aren't protected by government backing. Now, a failure story. Alex from Jakarta invested $5,000 into an unlicensed platform promising 25% returns. In 8 months, the site vanished, along with his money. Reputable platforms like Mintos offer buyback guarantees, automatically repurchasing defaulted loans to protect your investment. In the next segment, I'll show you how to set up a beginner-friendly, risk-managed portfolio that even your cautious uncle would respect. So how do you dip your toe in safely? Segment 5. How to start. Crowdlending. Step 1. Start small. Use $100 to $250 to test the waters. Step 2. Choose the right platform. Look for regulated platforms, buyback or guarantee policies, transparent borrower data. Recommended? Checkmark. Lenden Club, India. Mintos, Europe. Funding societies, Yahoo SEA. Step 3. Diversify, automatically use auto-invest features to spread your money across 20 to 100 loans. Step 4. Reinvest returns. Compound your earnings monthly. Warren Buffett says, never depend on a single income. Make investment a second source. I'm going to share stories of people who made it work and one painful mistake you'll want to avoid. Who has financially increased in life? Segment 6. Real stories, real lessons. Ramesh from Mumbai started with 20,000 rupees in 100 loans. A year later, his 2,800 rupees in interest became a secondary income. Wei Ling from Singapore used funding societies to lend $1,000. In 18 months, she earned $140 in interest. She's now funding a trip to Korea, all from passive income. Meena from Delhi jumped in fast with a flashy app. No research. Lost 50,000 rupees when the platform folded. She now teaches others. The riskiest thing I did was skip the fine print. These stories aren't just entertainment. They're blueprints for what works and what to avoid. So what's the final verdict? Is crowdlending for you? Let's wrap it all up with a clear, confident decision. If you're tired of watching your money shrink in a savings account, if you want to build wealth, not just wait for it, crowdlending could be your gateway. Small capital monthly returns. Real-world impact. Now that you know what banks don't want you to know, you're going to want to know how to start generating passive income. You're going to need to know how to compare lending platforms and choose the right ones. And you'll definitely want to discover the smartest ways to build a portfolio that's tailored just for you. Because if you don't, you could already be losing thousands to inflation without even knowing it. The powerful secret to strategic portfolio building is waiting in my next video.